Hey you guys, okay, so I'm going to take some, sorry, you know I have a problem with not looking at the camera. Are you? I'm sorry for not looking at you. I got some baking soda because we still got even after I shampooed, it's still a pet smell in here. And so I'm going to take the baking soda because now I can vacuum here. So I'm gonna take the baking soda and put it down for about 5 minutes. And then I'm going to vacuum and move the couch back over here to move actually I might just move everything over here in this corner so I can get this corner taken care of and cleaned up and stuff. The TV actually is going to be moved over here, and we're switching out this TV with Ezekia's TV because if you're not going to act right, ain't no need to have a big TV in your room, you know what I mean? Shouldn't even have a TV in your room. I should take that into the garage and not have her because she just soak up all the TV. Y'all, I don't know what to do with this. Y'all help me out. But that's what we're about to do right now. Yes. Y'all ready for some more motivation? Yes, it's like 3 days later. Don't judge me. And let me tell you why it's 3 days later. Because it takes a long time for carpet to dry. And this is due tomorrow morning. But we're gonna get it. Anyways, yeah. Hey you guys, and welcome back to DAT Family 5. Or welcome. Thank y'all so much for clicking on this video, part 2 of the summer sunroom clean with me. The first one was a collab with Kane in real life, and it was wonderful. This is just part 2, just finishing it up. It took like 4 days for the carpet to dry, so this is why it took so long for me to get this out here, but it's okay. And if you haven't yet, if you like this type of content, all the realness and loveness and rawness, go ahead, click that subscribe button, click that notification bell, and make sure you click like, the thumbs up, and then just comment down below who you are and where you're from. That'd be great. Where you from in the world? I really like to know because I'm a military brat when I was younger, and we've been all around the world, so it'd be nice to know where people are from. Thank you so much and enjoy.
Met you in the winter when I was a mystery. It was cold but I was full of fire. And you said you liked my wild eyes and strong mind. You were like sunshine.
So as I'm looking at the carpet on this side where the TV is at, it actually looks good. I don't feel like I need to shampoo it. I may do some cleaning because it needs some cleaning, like not the carpet but the stuff around it. But as for the carpet, I think it needs a good vacuum. But like, I don't think it needs a cleaning like the other side did, because the other side was nasty. And like between the doors from the dogs going in and out of our muddy yard, that was the issue. But what I already gave y'all, I think is good. So I'm gonna try to just shift things in the way that I want it, so we can have a reading nook over here, the reading nook and the artist nook in the corner, put the cat things in the corner. Yeah, just do some maneuvering versus extra cleaning, because it's 10:34 and my ADHD is not letting me. Yeah, I need to go take the medicine, but I do just want to clean it up. Y'all good with that? Are y'all good with that? I'm hoping y'all are, because I'm supposed about to happen. Okay, let me go ahead.
Every time I mess it up, and everybody says that things are bound to change, but I hope they stay the same, cause you are the best thing that's ever happened to me. You got me setting all I know on fire. You kept me every time I mess it up, and everybody says that things are bound to change, but I hope they stay the same, cause you You are the thrill of my life. Oh, I'm never gonna let you go. I see it all with my eyes closed, with my eyes closed. Yeah, I see it all with my eyes closed. I'm never gonna let you go. You are the thrill of my life. Oh, of my life.
Creating your loyal fan base and monetizing your tribe without selling your soul. Written by Brandon Business Guys. Like your help.
No. Your phone's a small TV? Go. Who are you saying no to? Go. You had it in the room for years. Go. Hey, no.
But I got you by my side. Sunshine got me up all night. Summer on my mind. God, I got you by my side. You by my side.
Alright, so we're about to end up on this video. Just wanted to show you what it looked like. We got a couple of spots right here that need to be cleaned, and they did get cleaned. Just showing how it shows. It looks so nice to me. I hope you enjoy the rest of this. And then if you haven't yet, please consider to subscribe to this channel and like down below, and make sure you click that notification bell for future notifications of when I put videos up, which is mostly on Fridays, Sundays, and Tuesdays. I thank y'all so much. That's going to be the reading nook right there. I thank y'all so much, and that's where the cat is at. And y'all have a blessed day.
The things that we'll do, 'cause wanna drive through the summer night, and when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night, the summer night, the summer night, the summer night, the summer night. Someday we will look back and
Why? Oh my gosh. I want to thank y'all again so much for supporting us and clicking on this channel to watch us shampoo our carpets. And I want to thank you again for all the support y'all been giving to us. So if you haven't yet, please consider to subscribe to this channel if you like this type of content. And remember to like down below, thumbs up, and to remember to ring that bell for notifications. Thank you so much, and guess what, y'all? As always, we'll see y'all on the tube. Peace out, y'all.
really use a change of scene.
See this? I'm sorry. Bye.
Close the matches, they were handed down to me, but I'm still fly, I know.